So I am starting off with this Element of Surprise palette. I'm taking that light brown shade and I'm just gonna be packing that in my outer crease, just above where my natural crease creases. I'm just gonna blend that out on both sides of the eye. Then I'm taking this dark brown shade. I think this is Embark by MAC. I will be sure to list the exact product down below. I'm just working that right under that light brown shade that I put in. Going in with this Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and taking that dark brown shade. It's a little bit darker than the one that I just used, and I'm just going to be placing that right underneath where I placed that other shade just to bring more definition to my crease area. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay Heat palette and I'm taking that dark brown shade. I'm just going to be packing that on my outer crease area. Heavy Metals palette by Urban Decay, and I'm taking that pink shade. I don't even know the name actually because I don't have the products in front of me right now, but I'm just packing that on my lid. Now the brush that I'm using is wet. Taking the Milani foundation. This is the Conceal and Perfect, and I'm in the shade 0910, and I'm just gonna be blending this out with a Real Techniques Insta Pop face brush. Kiki Adams, if you guys follow her on Instagram, YouTube, she always raves about this brush, and I was in Target and it was the last one, so you know I had to get it. Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Not sure what the name of the shade is, but I'll be sure to put that in the description box. And I'm taking this Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand because it's a little bit lighter. Now I'm taking this True Complexions contour stick and I'm just going to contour my hairline and jaw area. I'm taking a Real Techniques diamond sponge. I'm just going to be blending that concealer underneath my eyes out. Taking this loose setting powder by Black Radiance, and I'm just going to be setting the under eyes where I applied that concealer. Then I'm taking this MAC bronzer in Sun Power, and I'm just going to bring some warmth to my skin. I feel like this might be a little bit too dark, but it does the job. I'm going in with the Morphe 35B palette. I'm taking that real vibrant pink shade, and I'm just gonna be brushing that underneath my lower lash line. I'm using a pencil brush to kind of smudge that out underneath my lash line. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild, I think it's called the Mega Glow highlighter, and I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's showing up on camera. The lip liner Cork by MAC just to draw my lips, because bitch, I don't have a top lip, as y'all can see. I'm using the shade Velvet Teddy by MAC. Then I'm going back over with my lip liner pencil to kind of give my lips some definition, the lips that I do have.